So I'm shooting a live vlog for the first time on your request, and this is basically me getting unready. Like, get unready with me. It's late at night, almost 10:30 p.m. All I have to do is take off my makeup, have a shower, and do a simple skincare on Sunday night before I start with next weekend office schedule. So normally this happens every day around 12. It's too late after completing my entire day videos. I have made this very simple makeup removal and skincare routine for night just to let my skin breathe. Not a 7-step skincare routine, and also using very affordable products.
So first step would be removing these eye lenses because I use them daily for my makeup vlogs. I know the process is quite easy, but you need to be very thorough with it and proper because it's related to the eyes. Now the lenses are from Swati Cosmetics, but I use the contact lens solutions from Aqualens, the one you get on Lenskart. Now you have to make sure your case is full up to the brim. The lenses needs to be hydrated for at least 8 to 12 hours before you use them to prevent any itchiness. Now the main concern is how can you remove your lenses with hand and extensions. So today I'm not having nail extensions, but normally I have. All I use is this simple technique. I simply use a earbud. You need to fold in halves just like a form of V and just take it like this. It will not poke your eyes, believe me, it's very easy and gentle to the eyes, just in one go. And make sure you directly put it in the case. Always try your best to avoid any contacts because you may accidentally tear your lenses. Now let's come to the most hated part of the skincare routine, especially for the night. That is makeup removal. You need to do this. There is no other way around. Don't let your makeup sit on your face even if it's for 3-4 hours. If you're going to sleep at 3 am, you need to remove your makeup. Now I have made it easy. Just use a simple product. So my favorite product is the Quench Cleansing Balm. So you can use this at any place, even if it's in your car. Don't need a towel or water. Just apply this like a Vaseline. It's better if you can scoop it up with an applicator. And as you have applied all over your face, just take a small quantity and keep rubbing it. It will dissolve all your makeup and it will come out, including your waterproof mascara. This is how the mascara looks right now. It's very easy to apply, so you need to have this product at least once and it's quite affordable. And then you can take any face wipes. Right now I'm using the one from Lactocalamine. It's available on Blinkit as well. It's really refreshing. So after you have applied the balm, just take off the makeup with this wipe. You can apply this all over your body, so I'm applying this on my face and neck. Now let's jump to my final night skincare routine, post shower. So after your face is clean, or in case you do not have any makeup, you can just get started with this tip.
It is really affordable. So the first one I'm using is this rice water brightening serum pads. This is how it looks. This is really a very favorite product of mine, and it suits me since I have dry skin. So just like a face wipe, you need to apply it all over your face.
In case you're a first user of this rice pads, it may sting a little, but believe me, the pain eases, leaves you with a hydrated, moisturized face. Now comes another one of my favorite products. This is also from Hyphen. I have just started using this. This is the Double Shot Radiance Lift Serum. The product works so well on my skin, but the best part is still the packaging. I'm amazed how it looks, how the formula is, but before you apply it, you need to shake it well. So you need to mix it up before you apply it. And after mixing, this is how it looks. It's quite clearly stated on the package, use 2 pumps for night and 2 pumps for the morning skincare routine, but I apply at least 4 to 5 pumps. This suits my skin so well. So you can see I've applied all over my face and massage it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Next comes another very important product. This is the eye cream from Cure Skin to reduce the pigmentation and puffiness. You will not get this product from Nykaa or any other websites. There's an app called Cure Skin. You need to get your skin tested, and after your issues are verified, your dermatologist will assign you the creams. I absolutely love it. Now we are almost at the end of the skincare routine. This is the final touch. It's the Ice Dunk face mask from Hyphen. Believe me, this is not a sponsored post, but I absolutely love this cream compared to any other moisturizer. I can't go to sleep applying a heavy layer of moisturizer. It feels like the skin cannot breathe. But this cream is so unique, it feels like you have applied ice on your face. This has a cooling sensation and as well as hydrates and moisturizes my skin so well. Almost done with my skin. The last part is about the lips. My usual go-to is Vaseline Petroleum Jelly or Laneige Lip Balm,
but I also have this hyphen lip balm. That was it for today's vlog. It's a very simple skincare routine with affordable products from Hyphen. This is how my skin looks after the skincare routine. Nothing heavy so my skin can breathe. You can use the exact same routine for your morning along with an SPF in case you are going out.